Welcome to the second module in Excel for Everyone. Now that we understand the logic of how formulas are structured, we'll take it one step further and start working with functions. In general terms, an Excel function is a predefined formula to perform calculations. They are commonly used in place of formulas when these may be too complicated or time-consuming to write ourselves. To work correctly, a function must be written in a specific way, and the set of rules we use to properly do it is known as the syntax. The following is the basic syntax of a function. Same as formulas, functions always start with the equal sign. Next, as you may have noticed already, there are no mathematical operators like addition or division. Instead, you require the specific name of the function. Here I'm using average as example. Don't worry about knowing what average is designed to do right now. We'll cover this function in depth later on the course. The function name is then followed by one or more arguments, enclosed within parentheses. Arguments contain the information you want to calculate and can refer to both individual cells or cell ranges. In this example, we are using one cell range argument. You may remember from a previous lesson that cell ranges are represented by the first and last cell reference with a colon in between. In this case, the range includes all the cells between E3 and E11. To use more than one argument, we need to separate them with a comma. Based on our previous experience with formulas in past sessions, this may start to look familiar, and as you can anticipate, functions are excellent time savers to calculate data. Another benefit is that Microsoft has built hundreds of functions in Excel. You can quickly access them by partially typing the name of a function in the worksheet or through the ribbon. To access the function library, go to the Formula tab. You'll find them organized by categories and fairly easy to access. For example, in the text category, you can find different text manipulation functions like justification, convert to uppercase, and many others. The financial category, functions for pricing, interest rates, settlement, and more. As you can see, there is a large variety of common and specialized functions included in Excel. In this model, we'll be working with those that you'll commonly use the most. Sum, to add all of the values of cells in the argument. Min, to determine the lowest cell value included in the argument. Max, to determine the highest cell value included in the argument. Average, to find the average of the values included in the argument. And count, to count the number of cells with numerical data in the argument. As we go through the module, we'll learn how to automate some of these functions and how to work across several worksheets in a workbook. Ready? All right. I'll see you in the next session.